Now I hope you enjoyed that little bit of the Metal Man up close and personal. And now we've reached Garrarus Strand. I hope I pronounced it right. So if there's any locals who wish to correct me, feel free to do so. And the tide is looks as if it's going out. So when I was driving up to it, it looked as if the tide was high, but luckily we have a bit of the beach to enjoy. Some wise words for you all to heed. It's become a little bit cooler now, and we've finally made it to my favourite beach on the Copper Coast, Kilfarrasy Beach. Islet in front of you, Burke's Island. And if you look behind the beach, there's this cool looking house with a stream running past it. The stream just flows under a bridge and it goes right into the beach. And this was the other end of it, the stream which I was talking about, which flows straight into the Celtic Sea. This wasn't here before, last time I was here earlier this year. It's a dead whale washed up on the beach. It's a rare sight to see. Well, in fact, it's so rare. I've never actually seen this before in my entire lifetime.